This is the mobile operations screen, where the in-charge STMS must complete a pre-start check by confirming that all equipment, vehicles, signage, high-visibility garments and two-way radios are fit for purpose. Then log the time the check was completed. Below that, fill in the operation record with the affected road details, start and end points using GPS or manual entry, and the work activity timing. You can add multiple operation records if needed. The checks section must be completed and documented at least every 30 minutes throughout the operation. Any changes or improvements to the approved TTM or TMP can be noted in the comments section with a timestamp and detail. Once everything is filled out, tap Save Mobile Operations to submit the record.